Okay, hi. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we make a calculator by using Python. So, I will show you the shortest method to make a calculator by Python. So, calculator looks like that. First, we need to type while true. This is the infinite loop that order system to continue repeating the following code, right? After that, print normal calculator. Print will display user that line. Whatever we type after print mean display user, display this stuff to the user, right? So suppose so as you can see, I type here print and then under normal calculator under double quotation. So system will display normal calculator to the user, right? This is for that. This is intended to do that. Display whatever we type after this, and the print. Oh no, by mistake. What I option first addition and print second option subtraction, print third option multiply, and print fourth option division. Okay, and print fifth option exit. So these are the five options, and as soon as user open their calculator, user will see these options, right? After that, suppose user want to choose some options, like user want system to calculate add their value. So to take input, we need to type a line that can take input from user. So to do that, we need to type first choice input type your choice. Okay, so this is the line dedicated for taking input from user. After that, if condition, if choice equivalent to exit or block, we must type colon at the end of this line, because colon work as a connector, and this connect to this is dedicated to connect below the line that is below this line to this above to this line. Okay, so we use a block to connect each line, to connect this line to this line. Okay, so type first, then print exiting, and then break. Okay, elif, and then take number one int input, and type first number. Okay, type first number and then after one number and take second number, type int. Okay, input, type second number. After first number, Python will take second number. Okay, and we use here int because the number is integer, not a string. I suppose that you know about string and integer and fundamental of Python, so you can understand what int and string mean here. After taking number, we have now system mean Python have both numbers mean both values. So what Python should do next? So just calculate these two numbers. To calculate, we need to type another line of code, because to do some specific work and whatever we want, we need to type everything, and we need to type lines. So Python can understand these lines and obey our script, right? Because Python has no brain. Python just obey what we type, so we need to type everything what we want by syntaxes, right? So now we have both number. What Python will do next, to type first number. If choice equivalent to 1, then print result, mean string result, number 1 plus number 2, parenthesis close. This is the first block of code. What Python will do, Python just print mean display result, string result, and add and calculate both number. We use a plus operator here, so Python will add both values at this time. Elif choice equivalent to 2, block, you know why we use block, colon to make block, use colon to make block, print result, okay, num1 and number 2. Elif, this is the same thing, nothing different here. Choice, if choice equivalent to 3, then print result num1 minus multiplication num2. Okay, num2, what is that? Okay, string. Okay, number 2. After that, elif choice equivalent to 4, then print. We need another condition because if user type 0, so you know about division, we cannot divide any number with 0. So if user type, if number 2 equivalent to 0, if number 2 equivalent to 0, okay, wait, then print result number 1 divide number 2. Okay, this is a special block we use to divide. When user print 0, you know we cannot divide 0, we cannot any number with 0, so system will first print. So when we type if choice equivalent to 4, means if choice is 4 mean division, then print if condition, because user by mistakenly or inadvertently and voluntarily did that thing, means suppose type 0, then system will print first print number 1 and number 2 and result, and then will print cannot divide by 0. So system will print this thing after that, and then else means everything, every condition, it contains every condition. This is the rule in Python. First we use if elif and then else. So if else if else something else, suppose everything is good but user types some alphabets like ABCD, and system will print invalid input, because we cannot calculate ABCD and other alphabets. So if user type alphabet, then system will print invalid input. This cannot allow in calculation. So this is a very short method to make a calculator by Python, and I think you can understand what it is and how this system works. So I make this video to just let you understand how Python work and how entire Python process the data and process the values come from user, and how Python out display the value, basically input output. I assume that before making this video that a lot of you and you know about fundamentals of Python. So if you don't know fundamentals of Python, then learn fundamentals of Python, then watch this video. You can understand this video can make your understanding better after after learning fundamentals. So this is enough stuff, I think. So this is just very first video after introduction video. So bye.